Welcome to Uptown Swing. We have lots of different levels and courses to help you on your dance journey. Let me walk you through our curriculum. We'll start with Level 1. Our Level 1 course is open to total beginners with no experience needed and no partner required. Level 1 has 4 months of classes divided up into 3 separate courses. We have 6 count, Charleston, and 8 count, which actually takes 8 weeks instead of 4. It's our only course that takes 2 months to complete. It doesn't matter which course you start with, they're all beginner friendly. Whatever order you take them in, just keep in mind you must complete all 3 courses or 4 months of Level 1 before moving on to Level 2. Our Level 2 has 6 different month-long courses. Swing Out, our Level 2 version of Charleston Month, Mixing 6 and 8 Count, Tandem Charleston, the Classics, and Tempo. Our schedule rotates through the courses in this order, so if you miss one, you'll know when it's coming up again. That being said, when it comes to all our levels, you don't have to take the courses in this specific order. Just make sure you complete all our Level 2 courses before moving on to Level 3. Our Level 3 courses are Variations, Charleston Plus, Connection and Musicality, Jamming, Tempo Plus, and California Routine. Again, you can take them in any order, but you must complete them all before moving on. Next, let's talk about Solo Jazz. Solo Jazz is open to anyone who's completed Level 1, or if you're already familiar with Solo Jazz steps. Our Solo Jazz courses are Classic Steps, Shim Sham, Charleston, Tranky Doo, Improvisation, and our own Uptown Shuffle. Start with any of them and take them all. A lot of students like taking these alongside their partnered classes to get them ready for Level 4. Level 4 is currently our highest level, and you must have completed all the courses in Level 1, 2, and 3, as well as Solo Jazz to join Level 4. Level 4 is a continuing series of courses with new topics and themes each month. Courses are ongoing and designed to challenge our more experienced dancers. And there you have it. That's our curriculum, built to help you have a great learning experience every step of the way. If you want to learn more, you can get descriptions of each course here on the site, and you can always reach out if you have any questions. We're so excited to help you learn and to dance with you. Thanks for watching.